Welcome to World One Set, your ultimate health and wellness guide. Today, we're sharing 3 delicious and high-calorie breakfasts to help you gain weight and muscle effectively. First up, oatmeal with nuts and fruits. This breakfast is packed with calories and nutrients. Start with a bowl of oatmeal, add a handful of mixed nuts, some dried fruits, and a drizzle of honey for extra sweetness. Next, we have a protein smoothie. Blend together protein powder, a banana, a cup of berries, a spoonful of peanut butter, and some almond milk. This smoothie is perfect for a quick, high-calorie meal. Finally, avocado toast with eggs. Mash an avocado on whole grain toast, top it with 2 poached eggs, and sprinkle some salt and pepper. This meal is balanced with healthy fats and protein. These breakfasts are not only nutritious, but also easy to prepare. Incorporate them into your routine to support your weight and muscle gain goals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and recipes. Thank you for watching World One, saying eat well, stay healthy.